Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to plunder in Last Z survival shooter. Let's get started. First off, you'll need to be at a higher level in the game, and once you have unlocked most features, you can start raiding other players' bases and even their trucks to grab loot like food and supplies. And then you want to head over to the world map and look for inactive players. These are usually bases without a shield or activity, easy targets with low defenses, and perfect for farming resources without much risk. Then you want to use the no damage technique. Basically, here's a sneaky trick. You have to set up a rally on the target's HQ, join with 20 fuel in reserve, then time your attack to hit just as their defenses fall, but before any HQ damage starts. That way you grab the loot without breaking walls or burning bases. Super efficient for clan raids. And of course, don't forget trucks. Keep an eye out on the map for moving enemy trucks. If you're strong enough, raid or rally them for extra resources and event points. And always target weaker or inactive players to minimize risk of retaliation. This way you get maximum loot with less chance of counterattacks. And that's it, your full guide to plundering in Last Z survival shooter. Try these strategies, dominate the map, and let me know how many resources you snag. If this helped, drop a like, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more gaming tips. See you in the next one.